of this lowrider. This also, besides the typical touring kit, a few enhancements is it comes with a crash guard there, and it comes with a detachable touring box. I'll show you in a bit. Top box. We are offering it in all our top boxes after acing the design. Very simple detachability. You can also replace the knob. You can keep it in your pocket. It's a beautiful design. So you move the latches on both sides. Lifting the box, of course, you have to unplug the power supply. You unplug the power supply, and off your box goes. And then you have a nice bagger look whenever you want to travel without a pillion, or if you're doing a short journey that just the side panniers are enough. Putting the box back is equally easy. Again, you will just lock the latch back. This latch holds the box in place, and it is designed so that even if the latch opens, the box is not going to go anywhere, and it's further restrained by the safety knob. So double safety. And then you just put your safety knob back, and your contraption is completely restrained, and you close your side panniers. So essentially the design is such that until you have the key for the side pannier, nobody can access this, because we've hidden this knob just behind the side panniers. So if somebody wants to steal your top box, that ain't gonna happen, because the knob is hidden behind this. So you have to open the lid to actually access the knob. Good. Inner bags.